How to unfollow everyone at once in Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Instagram. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. Now at the top right corner, tap on the three lines. Now scroll down a bit. Now tap on help. Now select report or problem. Now select report problem without checking. Again select the second option. Now write a message saying, "Hello Instagram support team, I have many unknown people followed in my Instagram account, so I wanted to unfollow them all. Can you remove them from me?" Now tap on send. Now wait for some time and they will remove the people you followed. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.